how to turn off promotions category in Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can turn off promotional category in Gmail. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to turn off your promotions category in Gmail, first locate your Gmail app, and after you do that, open it up. After you've done that, you can then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. After you do that, if you scroll down, you'll find the settings. Tap on it. After that, select your account and you should be here. Now, what you'll have to do is tap on inbox type and choose the default inbox or any type of other category which does not show you the category section. And to customize category instead, you can tap on inbox category. From here, let me just tap on this, and from here, toggle off promotions. And after you've done that, you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.